Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Simply, where we explore how to use AI to work smarter, live better, and thrive in the cognitive age. Today we're diving into 5 AI tools that are set to completely transform your life in 2025. Whether you're a student, a creator, an entrepreneur, or just curious about the future. These aren't just cool gadgets, they're practical tools you can start using today to save time, boost productivity, and unlock your creative potential. Let's jump in. First up is ChatGPT, but not just the standard chatbot. In 2025, what's really changing the game is custom GPTs. You can now build your own personal AI assistant, trained to help with your job, your hobbies, your fitness goals, whatever you need. Want a writing coach? A coding tutor? A meditation guide? Done. And the best part? You don't need to know how to code. Think of it as your AI-powered Swiss Army knife, tailored just for you. Next is ElevenLabs, an insanely powerful AI voice generator. This tool lets you create ultra-realistic voices, great for YouTube, audiobooks, or even building a digital version of your own voice. Creators love it, businesses are using it for training videos, and accessibility advocates are using it to make content more inclusive. If you want a professional voiceover without hiring a voice actor, ElevenLabs is the tool to watch. Coming in at number 3 is Claude, developed by Anthropic. Claude is like ChatGPT's more thoughtful cousin. It's built with a strong focus on safety, helpfulness, and transparency. What makes Claude stand out is its ability to process very large documents. We're talking entire books, research papers, or legal contracts. If you need an AI that can deeply analyze and summarize complex text, Claude is the one. Now let's talk about video. Pictory.ai is blowing people's minds with its AI-generated videos. Just type what you want to see, like a futuristic city at sunset or a robot cooking breakfast, and it creates stunning video clips in seconds. This is huge for marketers, educators, storytellers, or anyone who wants to bring ideas to life without learning video editing. AI video creation used to be science fiction. Now it's a few clicks away. And finally, Rewind AI. This one's for anyone who's ever said, "I wish I remembered what I saw last week." Rewind records everything you do on your computer, searches, meetings, notes, and makes it searchable. It's like having a second brain. Worried about privacy? It all stays on your device, encrypted. This tool is a massive productivity booster and memory hack rolled into one. And there you have it, 5 AI tools that are already changing lives in 2025. Whether you're creating content, studying smarter, managing your time, or just experimenting, these tools are putting incredible power in your hands. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical AI tools, tips, and walkthroughs every week. Let me know in the comments, which tool are you most excited to try? Until next time, stay curious and keep it simple with AI.